everyone, this is Jennifer at Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. Welcome back. Today we are going to be making these adorable circle tags and pockets. They are so easy to make and look really great on a page as a little embellishment. They're also a great mask making project, and bonus, this project is a stash buster too. I made all of these out of scraps from my scrap box. And what's not to love about that? Now, I did use cardstock on these, but we're going to try one in a minute out of some book page and see how that looks. Also, I used 3 sizes of paper punches, a 3-inch, a 2-inch, a 1-inch, but you just need to be able to cut some circles out. So you can trace lids of items in your craft room and then cut them out. That would work just fine. You really just need like a large size circle and then a little bit smaller circle, and you don't even have to cut the notch in it if you don't want to. That's up to you. Then of course you need scissors and glue, and I'll be using art glitter glue today. So the first step, let's set these aside. I'm going to take my is to cut 2 circles out using my 3-inch paper punch. Okay. These are the top and bottom of the pocket. And then you cut them in half, just one of them, and that's going to be the front bottom. Now, if you're mass making these, you save this piece for another pocket, okay? So I'm going to save that. And then what you do is you take your little 1-inch and you cut your notch. Okay? And then this is a good time to ink around that. And I'm going to use walnut stain. And just ink all around the pocket. It really adds some dimension if you do ink these. Of course, that's up to you. You don't have to ink them. I just like how it looks. And I'm going to ink around this one too. Hope everybody's doing wonderful today. These are so fun to make, and you could just sit there and punch out circles from your stash of scraps while you're watching TV or whatever, and just make a bunch of them. They're really great for any journal. Now you take your glue and just run a line of it along the bottom of this front pocket here. Okay. All right. Now take the 2-inch, if you had a 2.5-inch punch, that would be even better. That would look perfect. And punch out the next size down. So I'm taking the 2-inch and punching a circle out of that. That's not all that pretty. I just got a leaf. Let's see if we can do a little better. Oh, that's cute. I got the flower that time. Okay, so that's how that looks. And then I've got these little words I've cut out here. This one says, "Courage, dear heart." I'll put that right on there. And I'm going to ink that word, those words, I should say. I think I got these words on a free printable from Natasha at Treasure Books. I don't know if she still has that up, but it's worth checking out if you have a moment to look. I don't know if it's something I can share. I don't think it is, but and there you have it. That's how that looks. Aren't those adorable? And let's make one out of book pages and see how that comes out. Put my pin there so we don't lose it. I've got some book page here. It's not the flimsiest kind of book page. It's a little bit thicker. And I'm going to cut off the side, the margin where it's blank, so that I don't punch that out. And I save that and stamp words on it for my little pot here of words. Okay. Let's see here. We need our big punch. If your punch won't do a book page, you can always put two together. Sometimes that's a little bit more just to make sure you get through the pages. It's sometimes a little bit more manageable that way. See, that went through a lot better. Okay. Got a little bit of chewed up edge there. We'll just trim that off real easily. Okay. And we will see which one we want on the front. Okay. I'm going to cut that. And I'm going to put this together so that it will hopefully punch okay here. There we go. And I'm going to ink that walnut stain again. I love making things out of book pages. I just think it just has a special look to it. And you can put any color paper in there and it's going to look special. Okay. And let's see what we want to pick for a scrap. That would be pretty. You could write on the back of that. I like that. Let's do that. Trying to do bright colors because my next journal is going to be bright, but I really like this. So we'll do it. Cute, cute. Okay, I like it made out of book pages. Let me show you what it looks like in a journal. I've got one right in here that I already put in this journal. Little black and white thing. It says, prove them wrong. And that's what it looks like. I put a little sticker on it. It's a little sewing machine. And then you can write on the back of it. Adorable, right? And that's it for today. Come visit me at my Etsy shop, which is linked below. Take care until next time. Bye, everyone.